good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is where you are. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the hot new Mega Monster 1000. Mega Monster 1000 postcard. You get a built in $1,000 and 5 books of stamps in this postcard. You get a residual income over and over again. Once you get two people in this business with you, you get that residual. Let me go through it with you. All right. Look how beautifully this is crafted and designed. Look how the monster just jumped out. Right here, your stamp go right here, and right here is where your label. Now, we have full data network marketing leads. These leads are powerful because these are people that are ready and willing to spend money. They're teachable, they're coachable, they have the investment to get started in business with you. You have their names, their phone numbers, their email address, and cell phone numbers. Cell phone numbers. All you have to do is email them or text them this beautiful postcard. That's all you have to do. Let me go into it with you right here. Now, I want you to imagine 5 people sending you 1,000. Okay, that's 5,000 people. You only need 10 people to send you $1,000. That's 10,000. Now, here's the amazing thing. Once you get started, what's what I call first movers advantage, because right here you only send 1,005 books of stamps to the person in box number 1. Okay, when you get started, your name gonna go in box number 2. When you send this out, a person is sending $1,000 and 5 books of stamps to box number 1, and $1,000 and 5 books of stamps to box number 2. Okay, now when your name is here and you mail this out and someone gets started, you're going to move to box number 3. This is where you have a residual income of $1,000 and 5 books of stamps. It is so simple and it's so easy. Okay, you fill out your name, address, everything's going to go here, right? All right, and that is it. It is so simple. It is so easy for you to get some mailbox cash money in your pocket. Okay, I love the design of this. This is going to help you, you know,